So now that you've got a good overview of the course, let's look at some of the specifics. I take a bit different of an approach than a lot of other courses out there because I want to focus on both the concepts as well as their application. We'll be looking at some of the fundamental principles of what is good motion UI, but we'll also be applying it in InVision Studio. I am using Studio, but the concepts are applicable to any sort of motion UI. Basically, we'll be starting with a completely designed app, and then we'll be adding motion and interaction and animation along the way. So this course will be good if you already know some of the basics of UI and interface design. I won't be going over the absolute basics, I'll really be focused on applying animation and motion to design. And if you're new to Studio, that's totally fine. A lot of their design tools are really similar to Photoshop or Sketch or Figma, so you'll be able to pick those up pretty quickly, and then we'll really focus on some of the motion and animation tools. Now that you have a good idea of the course and what we'll be focused on, you probably want some idea of who I am and why I'm even teaching this. I've been a product designer for about 6 years now, and a lot of the projects that I've worked on have had some element of motion in them. I've done motion design projects with small startups up to one of the largest financial services firms out there. If you've made it this far, there's probably at least something you can learn about UI animation by going through the course. I'll be there to answer any questions along the way, and I really hope I can help you create more meaningful motion UI.